everyone, Narelle here, and today's video I'm doing for a challenge that was quite a little while ago actually in the Crafty Low or No Spend group, and it was a challenge called the Stir, and you had to use certain criteria or certain things you had to put on the page, and the secret sauce, which was robots. So I didn't get around to doing this layout when the challenge was actually on, but I kept it on my desk and I was determined to complete this page because my kids, or my son when he was little, had made a robot out of bits and pieces around the house for my parents when they came to visit one time. So I knew I still had those photos and I knew I had the robot paper. So I thought I'm still going to do this layout. So that is what this layout's about. Now I'm not going to talk all the way through it. I am just going to introduce the page and why I did it and what it's about. And then I'm going to fast forward, add music, and you can just watch me making the page. So enjoy. Thanks. Okay, so here's the final page. I used all embellishments and all paper that I had in stock already. I have in my stash for a long time. Some were digital elements that I had on a file that I printed out and fussy cut. Others were stickers that went along with that paper. Yeah, so that's the page. Thanks for watching. Bye.